Are you looking for some inspiration for your next read? Do you want to know what books the founder of Facebook recommends? If so, you're in luck. In this video, we'll share with you 15 books that Mark Zuckerberg thinks everyone should read. These books cover topics such as history, technology, society, and leadership. They will challenge your assumptions, broaden your perspective, and spark your curiosity. Let's get started. 1. The Better Angels of Our Nature by Steven Pinker. This is a monumental work that challenges conventional notions of human violence and progress. Pinker meticulously argues that violence has significantly declined throughout human history, presenting a compelling case backed by a trove of data and evidence. His narrative is infused with hope and optimism, painting a portrait of humanity's upward trajectory. Pinker attributes this decline in violence to the influences of reason, science, democracy, and the establishment of human rights, asserting that they have collectively fostered cooperation and deterred conflict. Moreover, Pinker does not shy away from addressing the criticisms and objections that his thesis may encounter, providing a thorough and nuanced perspective on the future of human civilization. In essence, this book stands as a beacon of enlightenment, urging readers to re-evaluate their preconceived notions about human nature and recognize the potential for a more peaceful and harmonious world. 2. Sapiens, by Yuval Noah Harari. This book embarks on a captivating journey through the annals of human history, weaving together a compelling narrative of our evolution from primitive hunter-gatherers to the preeminent force on the planet. Harari deftly explores the multifaceted influences of culture, biology, and economics that have steered our collective course. At the heart of the narrative are the three pivotal revolutions: cognitive, agricultural, and scientific, which have wrought profound changes in our capacities, societies, and environment. Through Harari's insightful prose, readers are confronted with the weighty ethical and existential inquiries that arise from humanity's unprecedented dominion. Sapiens transcends a mere recounting of history. It is a call to reflect upon the enduring impact of our shared heritage, inviting us to contemplate the vast implications of being part of a species that has so profoundly shaped the world. 3. The End of Power, by Moses Naim. This book offers a penetrating analysis of the shifting dynamics of power in our modern world. Naim cogently argues that power is undergoing a fundamental transformation, moving away from traditional bastions and dispersing into the hands of new, diverse actors and networks. He dissects the catalytic roles played by phenomena like social media, globalization, and democratization, demonstrating how they are reshaping the realms of politics, business, and society at large. Naim's thesis resonates with a stark truth: power is becoming increasingly decentralized, fragmented, and fiercely contested. Yet, he is not blind to the perils of this new power landscape. Naim astutely warns of potential pitfalls, such as heightened instability, deep-seated polarization, and the rise of populist movements. In painting this intricate tableau, The End of Power stands as a crucial guide to understanding the seismic shifts redefining our global power dynamics and serves as an indispensable compass for navigating this uncertain terrain. 4. Why Nations Fail, by Darren Acemoglu and James A. Robinson. This is a tour de force exploration into the roots of economic inequality and development disparities across nations. The authors pivot away from conventional explanations, contending that the linchpin is not geography, culture, or resource endowment, but rather the nature of a nation's institutions. Through a meticulous examination of historical case studies spanning the globe, Acemoglu and Robinson present a compelling thesis: inclusive and democratic institutions pave the way for prosperity, while extractive and authoritarian ones lead to stagnation and poverty. Their analysis unveils the profound influence that institutions exert on a nation's trajectory, driving home the notion that the political and economic frameworks underpinning societies are paramount. Moreover, Why Nations Fail does not merely rest on theoretical foundations. It extends its reach, offering tangible policy recommendations aimed at fortifying inclusive institutions and nurturing sustainable growth. In this regard, the book emerges as a beacon of intellectual rigor, shedding light on the crucial determinants of a nation's prosperity and charting a course towards a more equitable and thriving global landscape. 5. The Rational Optimist, by Matt Ridley. This book embarks on a spirited celebration of human ingenuity and exchange, offering a counterpoint to prevailing pessimism. Ridley artfully contends that despite the formidable challenges and crises that confront us, there exists a wealth of reasons for optimism. Through a meticulously researched narrative, he demonstrates how the forces of trade, cooperation, and creativity have been instrumental in enhancing human well-being throughout history, and asserts that they will continue to do so. Ridley takes on the prevailing pessimistic perspectives put forth by environmentalists, economists, and activists, providing a well-reasoned and evidence-based vision of the future. His thesis challenges us to re-evaluate the prevailing narrative of impending catastrophe, offering a compelling argument for the remarkable potential of human collaboration and innovation to overcome obstacles and propel us towards a brighter future. 6. The Structure of Scientific Revolutions, by Thomas S. Kuhn. This is a seminal work in the realm of philosophy of science. Kuhn astutely elucidates the intricate dynamics of scientific knowledge, contending that it evolves not through steady accumulation, but rather through disruptive and transformative shifts known as paradigm shifts. He unveils the profound influence that social and historical factors exert on the course of scientific discovery, illuminating the complex interplay between empirical evidence and conceptual frameworks. Central to Kuhn's thesis is the concept of incommensurability, which posits that differing paradigms are fundamentally incompatible and resistant to direct comparison. This groundbreaking notion challenges entrenched views of scientific progress as a linear and cumulative endeavor. The Structure of Scientific Revolutions invites readers to contemplate the nuanced and often tumultuous nature of scientific inquiry, fundamentally altering our understanding of how knowledge advances and reshapes our understanding of the natural world. 7. The Three-Body Problem, by Lou Cixon. This book stands as a masterpiece of science fiction, a narrative that transcends the confines of time and space. Lou skillfully weaves a tale that unfurls against the backdrop of China's Cultural Revolution, where a clandestine project makes contact with an extraterrestrial civilization. Through this premise, the novel delves into the intricacies of first contact, probing the enigmatic nature of reality itself, and contemplating the ultimate fate of humanity. Lou's narrative craftsmanship is nothing short of extraordinary, as he interlaces elements of science, history, philosophy, and culture, constructing a universe that is both complex and imaginative. The Three-Body Problem does not merely offer a speculative vision of the future, but rather poses profound questions about existence, identity, and our place in the cosmos, leaving readers with a sense of wonder and contemplation long after the final page is turned. 8. Creativity Inc., by Ed Catmull and Amy Wallace. The book invites readers into the inner workings of Pixar, a company renowned for its exceptional creativity and innovation. This book serves as both a memoir and a blueprint for cultivating a culture of creativity within any organization. Catmull and Wallace unveil the secrets behind Pixar's phenomenal success, elucidating principles such as the embracing of failure, the empowerment of teams, and the fostering of collaboration. Through a wealth of personal anecdotes, the authors share their triumphs, challenges, and invaluable insights gleaned from leading one of the most triumphant companies in the world. Creativity Inc. transcends the realm of corporate memoir, offering a vital guide for individuals and teams seeking to unleash their creative potential and chart new frontiers of innovation. It stands as a testament to the transformative power of fostering a culture where imagination and ingenuity flourish, leaving an indelible mark on the worlds of animation and beyond. 9. On Immunity, by Yuval Biss. Yuval provides a deeply introspective and culturally resonant exploration of the contentious topic of vaccination and immunity. Through a skillful fusion of science, history, literature, and philosophy, Biss delves into the intricate web of fears and myths surrounding vaccines. She invites readers to contemplate the profound implications of health, risk, and trust in contemporary society. Drawing from her own experiences as a mother, writer, and patient, Biss weaves a narrative that is at once personal and universally relevant. Her thoughtful and nuanced approach challenges readers to critically engage with their own choices and responsibilities in the realm of public health. On Immunity transcends the boundaries of a conventional scientific treatise, emerging as a reflective meditation on the interplay of individual and collective well-being in an era marked by complex medical debates. 10. The Idea Factory, by John Gertner. This book unfolds the riveting history of Bell Labs, an epicenter of innovation that profoundly shaped the course of the 20th century. Gertner introduces readers to the luminous minds behind transformative inventions like the transistor, the laser, and the cellular phone. Through meticulous research and engaging storytelling, he unveils the secrets behind Bell Labs' extraordinary culture of creativity and collaboration. The book sheds light on how this institution catalyzed paradigm-shifting advances in science, engineering, and communication, leaving an indelible mark on modern society. The Idea Factory is more than a historical account. It serves as a testament to the monumental impact of interdisciplinary research and the indomitable spirit of human ingenuity. Gertner's narrative invites readers to ponder the enduring legacy of innovation, encouraging us to recognize the boundless potential that arises from the convergence of brilliant minds and visionary thinking. 11. Dealing with China, by Henry M. Paulson, Jr. This book emerges as a crucial guide for comprehending the seismic shifts brought about by China's ascent on the global stage. Drawing from his extensive experience as a banker, treasury secretary, and conservationist, Paulson offers unparalleled insights into the intricacies of China's politics, economy, environment, and culture. The book navigates through the multifaceted dimensions of engaging with China, highlighting the opportunities and challenges that this evolving relationship presents, not only for the United States but for the broader global order. Paulson's memoir serves as a first-hand account of the pivotal moments and decisions that have shaped modern Sino-American relations. His astute analysis serves as a beacon for policymakers, scholars, and citizens seeking a comprehensive understanding of the intricate interplay between two of the world's preeminent powers. 12. Gang Leader for a Day, by Sudhir Venkatesh. The book is a revelatory exploration of urban life, poverty, and the complex dynamics of a crack-dealing gang in Chicago's South Side. Venkatesh, a sociologist, immerses himself in this shadowy world for 7 years, offering readers an unprecedented glimpse into its inner workings and its profound impact on the surrounding community. The book challenges entrenched stereotypes and assumptions about urban poverty and crime, presenting a vivid and complex portrait of life in the ghetto. Through his unique vantage point, Venkatesh crafts a narrative that is at once empathetic and incisive, shedding light on the individuals and systems that perpetuate cycles of poverty and violence. Gang Leader for a Day transcends the realm of academic inquiry, serving as a powerful call to confront the systemic challenges faced by marginalized communities and seek innovative solutions to address them. Venkatesh's work stands as a testament to the transformative potential of immersive research and the importance of understanding the lived experiences of those on the margins of society. 13. Energy, A Human History, by Richard Rhodes. This book offers a sweeping chronicle of humanity's relationship with energy, spanning from the prehistoric era to the present day. Through meticulous research and engaging storytelling, Rhodes illuminates how humans have harnessed various sources of energy, from wood and coal to oil, nuclear, and renewable resources, fundamentally shaping our societies and ways of life. The book delves into the environmental and social consequences, both beneficial and detrimental, associated with each energy source. Rhodes deftly interweaves scientific, historical, and biographical elements, presenting a narrative that is as informative as it is engaging. Energy, A Human History, emerges as a compelling examination of the profound impact that our quest for energy has had on the course of human civilization, underscoring the imperative of sustainable energy practices in an ever-evolving world. 14. The New Jim Crow, by Michelle Alexander. The book serves as a searing indictment of the systemic racial injustices embedded within America's criminal justice system. Alexander compellingly argues that the war on drugs has given rise to a new form of racial control, echoing the oppressive structures of the Jim Crow era. Through a meticulously constructed narrative, she marshals a wealth of data, analysis, and personal stories to illuminate the devastating impact of mass incarceration on marginalized communities, particularly Black Americans. The book issues a fervent call for a radical reformation of laws, policies, and societal attitudes to break the cycle of oppression. Alexander's work stands as a clarion call for justice and equity, challenging readers to confront the deeply ingrained biases and structures that perpetuate racial inequality within the criminal justice system. The New Jim Crow transcends its status as a mere critique, evolving into a manifesto for transformative change and a blueprint for building a more just and inclusive society. 15. The Muqaddimah, by Ibn Khaldun. The book stands as a towering intellectual achievement in the realms of Islamic history, sociology, economics, and historiography. Penned in the 14th century, this seminal work is regarded as one of the earliest forays into these disciplines. Ibn Khaldun meticulously analyzes the rise and fall of civilizations, probing into the factors that shape human societies and the patterns that define history. Drawing from his own experiences as a scholar, statesman, and traveler, he imparts a rich and original perspective on the world. The Muqaddimah is not merely a historical account. It is a profound meditation on the enduring dynamics of human societies, offering timeless insights into the forces that propel civilizations forward or lead to their eventual decline. Ibn Khaldun's magnum opus stands as a testament to the enduring relevance of his ideas, resonating with contemporary scholars and thinkers seeking to unravel the complexities of human society and its historical trajectory. There you have it, 15 books that Mark Zuckerberg thinks everyone should read. We hope you enjoyed this video and found some new books to add to your reading list. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more trending updates. Thanks for watching and see you next time.